Welcome to You Can Do It. I'm your host, Chris, and this is my wife,
Annie.
Yeah. And in this video, we're going to show you how we built this greenhouse. We did it on a tight budget, and we sourced out materials from all different areas in our county here, and saved a lot of money. It was a lot of fun, and it was a design build, and we're going to show you how you can do it.
Join us. It'll be a series, so there'll be smaller parts. So if there's something that you're already past or you know how to do it, you can skip to the next part. So we're going to divide this whole entire build into smaller parts so that you can either watch them as you build, or you can skip ones that you already know how to do that section. So we're going to show you exactly how we built this from 4 bushes to what you see behind us. So I hope you enjoy this series and come along with us on this journey.
Hey guys, so we went and discovered some aluminum windows here. These windows, they came out of a children's hospital. They are aluminum. Well, they look a little haggard. They've been on the ground for, I'm thinking, at least 20 years or so. They got some real nice moss growing up in here. There's a gentleman that watches our channel. He sold these to us for $5 a window. Head over to a metal scrapyard and pick out some metal for some posts that we're going to use, and incorporate the metal with some pressure treated wood as well. So come with us. So we're here at the metal scrapyard, and we're going to go around and see if we can find some steel for this greenhouse that we're making. We're kind of just up in the air as far as material goes. We're just kind of winging it, and we're just going to go around and see what we can find here at the scrapyard. They charge 35 cents a pound, so whatever you find out in the yard here, they don't really look at what it is. It's just per pound. So we're going to go around, we're going to check out and see what we can discover. So let's go. This is there's a whole stack of these right here, and they used to be like a cage inside a factory, probably for securing tools or something, so people didn't steal them. But I have a thought of using this maybe for inside the greenhouse for plants. We'll just maybe suspend it with some chain, and you can put plants on here to water them. It's already made, so it's 35 cents a pound. So I couldn't even make this for that price by the time I got steel and the wire. So yeah, I think we'll put this on the scale. We're just gonna keep looking around. There's lots of stuff here to look at, as you can see. These are scrap. Looks like it's from like power poles. They got like there's some guy wire stuff in here. Maybe it's from a power company, but. These are good for doing concrete hold downs in a footing. Collect some of this. It's all 35 cents a pound, so you just get it with the nuts, washers on it, and weigh it. And it's a lot cheaper than going to Home Depot or the hardware store. But this stuff's galvanized. This stuff's been sitting out here, but you can still pull the nuts off. They're not rusted on. So.
We went with these light standards. They are 4x4s, 1/4 inch thick. They're going to outlast anything that pressure treated lumber would give us. So that's great for a greenhouse. You definitely want something that's going to last. We also purchased 2 aluminum semi-truck fenders. Aluminum currently at the steel yard was $1.50 a pound. These are 40 pounds each. So that equals $120 for 2 huge semi-truck fenders. They're going to make an excellent garden bed. We could not even touch a garden bed at a local supply store for that price. So it definitely pays to shop around and do some homework ahead of time and get the best deals out there. We also went ahead and power washed these windows. And if you remember, Chris said they were $5 each. Well, we had so many windows that we were able to put the additional ones on the marketplace, sold them for twice what we bought them for. So essentially, the ones we have in our greenhouse ended up being free. Now that is a definite bargain.
So had a friend contact me through text messaging, said that there was an estate sale and you had to get over there and check out this load of wood they had. They had a whole bunch of Western red cedar. So we went over there and kind of negotiated with them. Got a bunch of lap siding here that's cedar, and I got 2 beams that I got over here in the garage that I'd be able to resaw. There's an 8x8, and I think it's a 4x6 or 4x8. Well, we're gonna unload this and see what we can do.
So we picked up all the main supplies for this greenhouse, except for the lumber and of course the concrete for the foundation. So we're going to head over to the big box stores and go get all of those supplies. So stay tuned, stick with us for the next episode, and thanks for watching.